So we see the bounce off the 50 EMA on the 5-minute chart. We have this long green candle. Obviously, there was a lot of buyer volume coming into the market. We started the morning right around the 9 and then pushed up off the 9. Obviously, we came back inside the 5106 level, which is what I have here. But it looked like we tried to get all the way up back to our all-time highs here, but just couldn't get there. And we got smacked down, and now it looks like we're trying to head back up. So that's just something to take notice of here. We're basically in between two ranges, although we are trending upwards. So I would assume we would get some more resistance once we approach the 5120 level. Okay. What's going on, Mike? What's going on? So once we hit the 5120 level, we should be getting some more resistance. And then we'll see if we can open above that 5120 level on a 5-minute chart to allow us to know if we're going to continue to trend upwards for the day. So yeah, we're just going to be on hands at the moment until we see some more movement here. Let's see. So here's a little bit more of a view out of what we see here. And let me actually pull this down. So our 30-minute chart showed us that we broke our trend line yesterday. We retested it and then have rallied since then. We then had a bit of a pullback once we opened pre-market, but then we're now pushing past those lows and approaching new highs. So once we get to the 5120 level, we should see resistance as previously stated. After we see that resistance, that's when we'll start to look into where we want to position ourselves, whether that's to go to the call side or if we reject and move further down, if we would be grabbing puts. So currently we're just, like I said, we're just on hands at the moment. There's really no setup just yet, just because we are still trending upwards. If you did grab calls from our lows around 1004, then you should still potentially be holding, or if not, have already taken profits. Okay, but since we're close to our resistance level here at 5120, we want to stay on hands, right? We're looking for precision in entry, right? So what that would mean is we would be entering in on a red candle, right? Now, the red candle being specifically one where we would have some support, right? Which would be something like this scenario here, right? We had a long red candle, but then after we fell below the 50 EMA on the 1-minute chart, or let's say the 50 EMA on the 5-minute chart, we started to see more upside. Okay, so that's what we would want to see again if we were to enter into a play today. That would be to wait until we get some sort of price action movement based on our either our 9 EMA here on this blue line or the 50 EMA on the orange line. All right, guys, we would want to wait for that, because as of now, as you can see, we're only hovering between just a few points here and there, right? So right now, entering into a trade, we wouldn't really know which direction we're even going, whether that's to go up or go down, right? So let's wait for some more confirmation, and yeah, let's go from there. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the chat. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the chat. All right, y'all. All right, we're seeing some downside now. We're on the 5-minute chart right here. Let's see if we could approach the 9 EMA. If we were to enter anything, we would wait for a 5110, 5109 potentially to get into calls, knowing that we should have some support around those levels, okay, because of the EMA. right? And you can see the precise EMA. You can see the precise EMA price point right here on the far right. 51.10 currently. It looks like we're trying to trend upwards, but let's see what happens here. So far, it doesn't look too good for our buyers for the upside, but that could always change, right? So that's just something to notice here. All right, I just put it on mute.
Are you a fighter? Talking to Muhammad Ali type. Listen, he said something that's key. If my mind can perceive it and my heart can conceive it, then my hands can achieve it. Have you ever felt that you're fighting to get ahead, but you're still trying to figure out how to make money without trading a ton of your time so you can have that time to spend with your family and things you really enjoy? That's what trading is all about. Listen, me and over 3,300 students have been able to learn the key to financial freedom by leveraging trading to make hundreds of thousands of dollars in minutes. Whether you're a beginner, you don't have a ton of time, whether you're a busy professional or a CEO, this is a skill that can literally free your time and increase your income. So in this 5-day training, we're gonna be giving you a lot of things that you're gonna need to succeed. Wasi, what we giving them?
Listen, we're taking everybody out of the guessing game in the stock market. It's time to no longer guess. We are having confidence in the markets, all right? We're gonna be learning everything we need to know about the mindset of a millionaire trader, okay? The emotional management of an emotional trader. Obviously, we're talking about risk management as well, getting into trades, getting out of them, and protecting our profits, all right? That's everything you guys need to learn, and we're gonna be going over all of this over the course of 5 days, only 1 hour a day, and we want to see you there. So what else, Josh? Is that it?
Listen, not only them, we want to see your family members there, your friends there. Bring everybody that you care about to learn about this, because there's very few times in our generation where there's something that actually works and people that are actually willing to teach it to you.
Absolutely.
That's us. So if you're ready for a life change and a life transformation, you need to click the link below, get your ticket to the challenge. There's 3 levels you can purchase, but you're a VIP. I want to see you on the VIP side. We're going to answer all your questions and show you how to make money. And here's my guarantee to you. If you don't get at least 10 times the value of what you purchased, I will refund you on day 1. After the first day of the challenge, if you feel like you haven't got the value and you're not pumped up for day 2, email me and I'll give you a refund, because I'm here to change your life. Mine has already changed forever. I'd like to share that gift with you. See you on the other side.
Let's get it.